Hi everyone, in this video I will explain to you what is the best HR software, Bamboo HR versus Workday versus Gusto versus ADP. First, let's go to Bamboo HR. It is best for small to medium-sized businesses. And what it does well, tracks employees' info, time off, and onboarding. Simple to use and great for managing performance reviews. For its downside, doesn't handle payroll or benefits directly. Next is the Workday. It is best for large companies and enterprises. What it does well, a complete HR and a finance system. Handles hiring, payroll, benefits, and even budgeting. But downside is expensive and complicated to set up. Third is the Gusto. It is best for small businesses and startups. What it does well, full payroll service including tax filing. Manages benefits like health insurance and 401k. Easy onboarding for new hires. Its downsides is limited tools for performance management. Lastly is the ADP. It is best for businesses of all sizes. What it does well, handles payroll, HR, benefits, and compliance. Offers a lot of customization and scalability. Downside, can be pricey and not as user-friendly for smaller teams. So which one should you choose? Choose Bamboo HR if you need simple HR tool without payroll. Choose Workday if you run a large businesses and need everything in one system. Choose Gusto if you want an affordable, easy way to manage payroll and benefits. Lastly, choose ADP if you need a flexible solution that can grow with your business. And that's basically it.